In May 2022, during the premiere of his highly anticipated movie Top Gun, Maverick, Hollywood superstar Tom Cruise surprised fans and onlookers alike by showing his admiration for Princess Kate. As the cameras flashed and the crowd cheered, Cruise was seen holding Princess Kate's hand, sparking rumors of a blossoming friendship between the two. This unexpected display of affection continued at the prestigious Wimbledon tennis tournament, where Cruise attended the men's singles final. With his characteristic enthusiasm, Cruise couldn't help but clap and cheer for Kate, who was seated nearby. A video capturing this heartwarming moment quickly went viral on TikTok, garnering thousands of likes and millions of views, further fueling speculation about their relationship. Cruise's infatuation with Princess Kate had been noticed by fans since 2022. Throughout the Wimbledon event, his gaze remained fixed on her, creating a buzz among the spectators and media alike. His unwavering attention towards the royal beauty only added to the intrigue surrounding their connection. But Cruise's interactions with the royal family did not stop there. He had the honor of attending a gala dinner alongside Prince William, further solidifying his ties with the British monarchy. During the event, Cruise made a humorous remark about borrowing helicopters for his Mission Impossible movies, showcasing his playful nature and ability to charm even the most esteemed guests. Meanwhile, Princess Kate's visit to Wimbledon marked her second public appearance in 2024. However, behind the scenes, she has been undergoing chemotherapy for cancer, a battle she has faced with grace and resilience. Despite her personal struggles, Kate's strength and determination have continued to inspire people around the world. The unexpected connection between Tom Cruise and Princess Kate has captivated the public's imagination, leaving many wondering about the nature of their relationship and the potential impact it may have on their respective lives. As the story unfolds, fans and onlookers eagerly anticipate future encounters and interactions between these two iconic figures from the realms of Hollywood and royalty.